Flower Tribe. It's Kelly Lehman from Cranbury Fields and Lucy Lehman, and today we're going to show you how to plant your double daffodil bulbs. If we haven't met yet, it's nice to meet you. My name is Kelly Lehman. I'm the owner of Cranbury Fields Flower Farm here in Cranbury, New Jersey, and I love giving you guys fun, free flower tips. So please feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you know whenever we post another brand new fun free flower video. So let's dive right in, guys. So here it is fall, and fall is the best time to plant your daffodils. And I love double daffodils. Double daffodils have these beautiful double petals. They look almost peony-esque, and we grow a ton of them here on the flower farm, and they come back year after year. So here's how we get them in the ground. So I'll find a spot that has full sun. That means it gets between like 6 and 8 hours of sunshine each day, and I'll dig a spot that's at least double the size of my daffodil bulb. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna plant them pointy side up. So pointy side up, root side down, and let me give you a better bulb that shows you a better example of the roots. So here's another bulb that has better roots. So root side down, pointy side up, and I'm gonna put these double daffodils in the ground. I dug this hole about 6 inches. So I'm gonna put these in the ground. Once again, you want to make sure that the ground is, when you chop out your soil, it's at least double the size of your bulb. Some people do 3 times the size of their bulb. I do the rule of thumb 2 times the size of your bulb, but they say between 2 and 3 times the size of your bulb is fine. I'm going to space these guys out about 4 inches from each other. And when I plant them, I like to plant in mass plantings because sometimes it's a little bit sad if you only have like one daffodil sitting by itself. So I'll plant them in groupings that are odd numbers. That's kind of like a florist power tip. We like to use like odd numbers. So we'll plant them in groupings of like 5, we'll plant them in groupings of like 7, and the more the merrier. So the more bulbs you can have in your garden or in the space where you chose it to, the prettier it's gonna look come spring. And then once you have them all lined up to where you want them, Lucy's snooping around over here, you're gonna simply bury them. And guys, you can apply a little bit of light mulch over the top of these. You don't have to, but you could. And that's going to ensure that the moisture stays with these bulbs, and it's going to help them get established. But don't over mulch. Sometimes people will put too much mulch on top of their garden beds, and it's just too thick, and the plants have a hard time coming up through them, and sometimes it even gets like a little musty and moldy because the water gets trapped there and it's just too thick. So the rule of thumb, and you might not want to have a mulching of Lucy over the top. So yes, I don't know if you're helping the situation. So guys, once you have your bulbs in the ground, you want to make sure that you water them in because bulbs need water to start their whole process of getting established. So you need to water them in if Mother Nature's not going to provide the rain that you need the first day or 2 that you get them in the ground. So give them a nice soaking, get them all happy. They'll start getting started with their whole process of getting established. And then come spring, hopefully you're going to have some beautiful, magnificent daffodils. So guys, what's nice about daffodils is they have a substance in their stems, and it's called licorine. And licorine is a substance that animals don't like. So it gives them upset stomachs, it makes them feel sick. So a lot of times the deer and the rabbits and the squirrels will stay away from your daffodil bulbs, even though they may be going after some of the other spring bulbs that are in your garden. So guys, thanks for joining Lucy and I in this video, and I want you to know I made a playlist of fall planting tips. So I show you how to plant your peony tubers, your allium bulbs, and your tulip bulbs. So you can check that out. I'll put the links in descriptions below. And you can also check out cranburyfields.com if you ever want to send a nationwide bouquet to a loved one. Know that we ship our flowers nationwide in beautiful burlap wrap bouquets. And I also have an Amazon shop that I'll link below that has a whole bunch of like garden ideas and project ideas and fun things you might want to play with in your garden. And I'll put a link to that below also. And I will see you in the next video. So either way is fine. And I'm gonna wait for this plane to go because it's so loud. I swear the minute we start filming, like all the planes are like, let's go, they're filming, hurry up. And then let's fly around them. Even though they may be going after some of the other spring bulbs that are in your garden. Of course, another plane. Can you believe this?